Hello friends, welcome to Grey Pot. I'm back with yet another series from Beat the Heat. Bottle shakes are very much in trend nowadays. So today we're gonna make this beautiful bottle fruit shakes with a healthy twist. Let's start with a power punch. You need milk, cream, carrots, papaya, honey, and some sunflower seeds. Take a blender, pour in the milk, add cream, add papaya, which is rich in antioxidants which have carotenes, flavonoids, magnesium, and also fights cancer. Now add the carrots, which improves eyesight, reduce blood pressure, boost immunity, and also anti-cancer agent. Add sunflower seeds, which is rich in antioxidants, prevent anemia, lower cholesterol, and also good for your heart. Add honey for the sweetness, which is also healthy. Now blend it all. Now pour this beautiful orange color shake into our bottle and have it as a summer cooler with a healthy twist of veggies. This super energy drink is rich in vitamins. Now let's move on to the Greenie Booster. You need milk, cream, green grapes, and the veggie twist is spinach. You also need some sugar and pistachios. And trust me, the spinach taste will not overpower in this shake. So pour milk into a blender. Now add in the spinach, which removes toxins from our body, strengthens our blood vessels, improves eyesight, and strengthens the immune system. And green grapes is anti-migraine, antibacterial, anti-diabetes, and anti-skin cancer. Oh my goodness, this is a power-packed energy drink. And pistachios improves digestion, improves metabolism, relieve constipation, and good for your bone health. Now add in sugar and cream. Now blend it all. And pour this beautiful greeny shake into the bottle. Wow, look at the color. Different shades of green in one frame. This super Greenie Booster is simply delicious. Now let's make this Choco banana bump, a healthy and tasty bump. You need milk, cream, banana, cocoa powder, chocolate chips, and some soaked dates. Soaking dates before making the shake will help you in blending it. Now pour milk into a blender. Add cream. Add banana, which protects against ulcer, cure kidney disorders, relieves menstrual problems, and relief from arthritis. Now add in the cocoa powder and chocolates, which is the best anti-stress agent. Now add the soaked dates and blend it all. Now pour this thick chocolatey shake into the bottle. Oh yum! It's super healthy and very delicious. If you like, you can add a dash of coffee at the time of blending it. So all our super cool and delicious bottle fruit shakes are ready with the healthy twist. So do try all the recipes at home and enjoy the summer. So give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave me a comment if you like the recipe. Thanks for watching. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more videos from our channel and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Google+.